The Chevrolet 292 inline-six engine, introduced in the early 1960s, was a robust and highly durable power plant, primarily used in trucks and industrial vehicles. Known for its exceptional low-end torque, smooth operation, and overbuilt design with features like a forged steel crankshaft and 7 main bearings, it was engineered to handle heavy-duty tasks with remarkable reliability. Despite its potential to rival some V8 engines in power and durability, the 292 was largely confined to work applications and never fully exploited in performance cars, leading to rumors of deliberate suppression by General Motors to protect their V8 market dominance. Number 7. Exceptional engineering and durability. The Chevrolet 292 inline-six engine was designed and built with an emphasis on ruggedness and long-term durability, making it one of the most robust engines Chevrolet produced in the mid-20th century. With a displacement of 292 cubic inches, it featured a bore of 3.875 inches and a long stroke of 4.125 inches, which contributed to its ability to generate strong low-end torque, essential for heavy-duty applications like trucks and vans. The engine's cast iron block and cylinder head were engineered to withstand high stresses and abuse, which was critical for commercial and industrial use, where reliability was paramount. Internally, the 292 was equipped with a forged steel crankshaft and heavy-duty connecting rods supported by 7 main bearings, an unusually strong design for an inline-six, providing exceptional stability and resistance to flexing underload. The cylinder walls were carefully honed to ensure proper piston ring sealing and maintain optimal oil pressure, contributing to longevity and consistent performance. Its cooling system was designed to handle extended operation under heavy loads, though overheating could occur in extreme conditions. Overall, the 292's engineering made it a dependable engine that could endure hundreds of thousands of miles with routine maintenance, earning a reputation for toughness among mechanics and truck owners alike. Number 6. Shared technology with Chevy small block V8. One of the most intriguing aspects of the 292 inline-six was its close design relationship with Chevrolet's small block V8 engines, which were the cornerstone of GM's muscle car and performance lineup. The 292 shared the same bore spacing of 4.4 inches as the small block V8, meaning many components and machining processes were similar or compatible. This commonality extended to the valve train design, including the use of hydraulic lifters and pushrods, which allowed for some interchangeability of parts, and made the 292 a sleeper platform with untapped performance potential. The engine's internal strength and displacement were comparable to many V8s of the era, yet it retained the smoothness and balance inherent to inline-six engines. This shared architecture meant that with the right modifications, the 292 could be upgraded using many existing aftermarket parts designed for the small block V8, making it a versatile and cost-effective candidate for performance enhancement. Despite this, GM never fully exploited this potential, choosing instead to limit the 292's role to trucks and commercial vehicles, leaving enthusiasts to discover its hidden capabilities on their own. Number 5. Perfect inline-six balance. The inline-six engine configuration is renowned for its perfect mechanical balance, which naturally cancels out primary and secondary vibrations without the need for additional balancing shafts or counterweights. This inherent smoothness results in less vibration transmitted to the vehicle's frame and drivetrain, reducing wear and tear on components and improving overall engine longevity. The 292's long stroke and relatively large bore allowed it to produce a strong, flat torquing curve, with peak torque figures around 260 to 280 pound-feet at low RPMs, approximately 1,600 to 2,000 RPM, making it ideal for trucks and heavy-duty applications that require strong pulling power rather than high-rev horsepower. The smooth power delivery also contributed to driver comfort and reduced fatigue during long hauls. Furthermore, the inline layout simplified maintenance and repair, as components were arranged in a straight line and more accessible compared to V-shaped engines. This combination of smooth operation, strong low-end torque, and ease of maintenance made the 292 a favorite among fleet operators and mechanics who valued reliability and simplicity. Number 4. Corporate suppression to protect V8 sales. Despite the 292's impressive engineering and latent performance capabilities, General Motors made a strategic decision to limit the engine's exposure and development to protect the sales of their highly profitable small block V8 engines. During the muscle car era, V8 engines were the centerpiece of GM's performance image and marketing efforts, and the company was heavily invested in promoting these engines in passenger cars. Number 3. Deliberate performance restrictions. GM didn't just limit the 292's applications, but also engineered the engine to restrict its performance deliberately. The factory intake and exhaust manifolds were designed with restrictive passages that limited airflow, effectively choking the engine's breathing capacity and capping its power output. The camshaft profiles were conservative, optimized for low-end torque and smooth operation rather than high horsepower or high RPM performance. These restrictions ensured the engine remained reliable and compliant with emissions regulations, but also prevented it from rivaling V8 engines in performance. Factory service manuals and technical bulletins often included warnings against modifications that could increase power, reflecting GM's intent to keep the engine's output within controlled limits. These built-in limitations made it challenging for even skilled mechanics to unlock the engine's full potential without extensive aftermarket modifications, reinforcing GM's control over the engine's performance narrative and ensuring the 292 remained a workhorse rather than a muscle car contender. Number 2. Mysterious disappearance of high-performance prototypes. Adding to the mystique surrounding the 292 inline-six is the rumor that GM developed high-performance prototypes and conducted internal testing that revealed the engine's true capabilities, only for these engines and related documentation to mysteriously vanish. Enthusiasts and insiders claim that performance test data, engineering notes, and prototype engines with upgraded components were erased or hidden from public knowledge, fueling speculation of a corporate cover-up. This alleged suppression was intended to erase evidence that the 292 could have competed with or even outperformed some V8 engines of the muscle car era. While concrete proof remains elusive, these stories have contributed to the 292's legend as a banned or forgotten engine, a hidden gem deliberately kept out of the spotlight to protect GM's V8 muscle car dominance. The disappearance of these prototypes and data has become a key part of the engine's mythology among enthusiasts. Number 1. Enduring legacy among enthusiasts. Despite decades of corporate suppression and limited factory support, the Chevy 292 inline-six has developed a passionate and loyal following among truck owners, restorers, and performance enthusiasts. Its rugged construction, smooth operation, and abundant low-end torque make it a favorite for heavy-duty applications such as towing, off-roading, and commercial use. Many enthusiasts have successfully upgraded the 292 with aftermarket camshafts, improved intake and exhaust systems, and forced induction setups like superchargers and turbochargers to unlock power levels far beyond factory ratings. The engine's simplicity and durability mean it can handle significant modifications without sacrificing reliability, making it a popular choice for those seeking a strong, dependable power plant with hidden performance potential. Today, the 292 enjoys cult status as one of Chevrolet's most underrated engines, celebrated for its engineering excellence and the mystery surrounding its suppressed legacy. Its enduring appeal lies in its combination of reliability, torque, and the what could have been story that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts. In essence, the Chevy 292 inline-six was a powerful and durable engine deliberately held back by GM to protect their V8 sales, making it one of the most intriguing and controversial engines in automotive history. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.